Welcome to 5583 Estero Boulevard, here on Fort Myers Beach, a brand new coastal construction that proves it's still possible to build new on the island and come out ahead with equity. The stunning 5 bedroom, 4.5 bath home spans nearly 2,300 square feet, just steps from the sand. This home just sold for $2,090,000, but what's fascinating is the story behind the numbers, so let's break it down. And all these figures I pulled from public record as amounts that were listed on the different permits. The lot was purchased for $630,000. The new home build itself came in at $939,919. Add the driveway at just over $8,500. The pool and spa for $180,000, which is way too high in my opinion. There's many cheaper options available out there. And a 6-foot vinyl fence at $11,300. All told, the core build cost totaled about $1.77 million. Remember, that does not include furniture and landscaping, which I estimate to be between $30,000 to $50,000 for the two. And yet, even with all that, the home sold furnished for $2,090,000. This property also sits on Estero Boulevard, one of the island's most sought-after weekly rental streets. That means incredible income potential on top of equity gain after building a new house. And here's the best part. If you're interested in buying an existing home or building new, I can help guide you through the entire process, from connecting you with trusted builders to keeping you updated with progress photos, videos, and regular check-ins. I am a licensed drone pilot with the FAA, so I am able to offer my clients an additional benefit of keeping a bird's eye view of their construction of their new home. I make sure your investment stays on track every step of the way. So if you've ever been wondering whether building new on Fort Myers Beach still makes sense, this is your answer. It absolutely does, and it is absolutely possible. I'm David Piper with beachesrealestategroup.com. Reach out anytime. Let's start making your island dream a reality. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like and consider subscribing for more of these Fort Myers Beach updates. And I really appreciate you watching, and I hope you have a great day.